Not this one. It's the second pitch.
St. Louis held on to beat Milwaukee 11-9.
Oh my God, I remember that.
Russ Springer got the win in relief. 6 home runs were hit in that game. 4 by Milwaukee. Slice foul. Out of play.
Well, it's that kind of game for Marlin fans as well.
Oh my God, it's me.
E-Fan.
Guy had his one shot, and he's getting it right now. Could have had a souvenir.
At least the players do that to each other.
That was gorgeous.